Push, Lacey, push!
I'm fucking pushing! Get out of me, baby! Get the fuck out!
While we're trapped in hell, in the real world, Lacey is giving birth.
No, this can't be happening.
What?
The bird! He rules the underworld. The only way he can escape is to be born into the real world.
Here it comes! It's coming!
What the fuck is that?
Open it and read it.
What? I need burned to a fucking book!
Open the fucking book and read it!
In walks the bird.
Sir, I did as you asked. Now what are your further orders?
Holy shit! What the fuck did you do to them? Get away from me!
Get ready. There's gonna be a war.
Woo!